They're going to set up and y'all can stay up here. But I was going to read a verse with the song along with this verse, and their name is called Healing Rain. So give it up for Healing Rain. Okay. Galatians 5 says, so Christ has truly set us free. Now how many have been set free? Okay. Now make sure that you stay free and don't get tied up again in slavery to the law. And this song is called Get Loose, so give it up for them.
Yeah, you know, it makes us smile. Jesus came, that was straight from the throne, he redeemed the pain, not everything about sin and homie we can change.